Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I customized my own pink gaming chair with a Zelda kind of inspired theme. If you want to see how I did that, just keep on watching. So the first step was to paint the black plastic parts of the chair with this lavender metallic paint I already had at home. I did this because I wanted the chair to match the rest of the colors of my setup. I just totally went for this paint job without doing any prep work, no masking, no priming, nothing, just, you know, the sheer will to make things purple and shiny. That was all. That was all that fueled me at this stage. This seemed like a super risky move at the time, so I was semi being confident and happy and semi panicking at this point. So this was definitely the most time-consuming part of this project because I had to do multiple layers of paint on each side, multiple coats of paint. Honestly, I'm still not sure up to this day whether it was actually worth it doing all this painting, to be fair, because the visual impact of it in the end wasn't very significant, let's be honest. Right, so while the paint is drying, I'm going to show you how I make the vinyl stickers for the chair without using a Cricut or a plotter or any machine. I'm just gonna use old school basic geometry to create my shapes. My shapes in this case are two Triforces with different dimensions. Sizes. I'm going to get my vinyl out and I'm going to trace the base shape onto the vinyl. And for this I'm just using a normal ruler and a permanent ink pen to help me with this stage of the process. Once I've got my shape traced onto my sheet of vinyl, all I'm going to do is use my scissors and also an X-Acto knife to help me cut out the shapes I've traced before, so I can apply them to the chair next. So to begin the application of the vinyl stickers on the chair, I just cleaned it beforehand with some rubbing alcohol on the places where I wanted to place the stickers, and then I just carefully placed the stickers where I wanted them. It's actually that simple, to be fair. Time for the finishing touches, so I decided to put some pink fur covers on the armrests and some ivy, because obviously I put ivy on everything. So that's almost done, just a little comfy cat paw pillow and we're done. The chair is complete and ready for some gaming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, leave me a like and all those nice things, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!